BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So the other day I posted a video where we took a look at all the different experimental flags that I've enabled in Edge Canary, and that was in response to a viewer question. So I did ask if you would like to see if you would be interested in viewing my Chrome Canary flags that I've enabled in Chrome Canary, which is also Chrome's preview version of their browser. And in response to that, just a simple run through of all the flags in Chrome Canary that I've manually enabled and personally enabled. Now I have about 24 or so experimental flags enabled in the browser, so that's a little bit more than I have in Edge Canary. And just on a side note, flags are not options. Flags are experimental features, so it doesn't mean because a flag is here today, it will be here tomorrow, as I have posted on previously. And all the different companies like Microsoft, Google, Brave, and so on can remove a flag at any given time because they are experiments and not options. So always just keep that in mind. And these are the flags I currently have enabled. Some of them have been enabled more than others for a longer period. Others I've recently enabled. And I have posted on basically every single one of these flags. So if you want more info, just do a search on the channel for the relevant videos, or just pause the video at the relevant flag just to get some more info. Now the first one speaks for itself. Enable reader mode. Basically just allows for simplified viewing of web pages. Overlay scroll bars, I posted on that just a couple of days ago. It enables the experimental overlay scroll bars implementation, as we can see in Chrome Canary. Global media controls cast, start and stop. It gives the global media controls a couple of extra options when it comes to casting to different devices. Following feed in the side panel enables the following feed in the side panel. That obviously speaks for itself. Tab groups save. Tab group save, that's these little save tab groups here up in the top left of the bookmarks bar. Tab scrolling, quite a lot going on with tab scrolling. So just to go through these quickly, tab scrolling enables tab strip to scroll left and right when full. Tab scrolling buttons enables buttons on the tab strip to scroll left and right when full. Tab scrolling with dragging scrolls the tab strip while dragging tabs towards the end of the visible view. And there's, so as mentioned, quite a lot going on with tab scrolling when your tab strip is full of open tabs. Side panel journeys, that just places the journeys feed into the side panel. As we can see, there we go. So that's the enables journeys within the side panel. So quite a lot actually going on in the side panel in Chrome Canary. NTP, that's new tab page comprehensive theming, applies theme-based colors across various new tab page elements. Read anything, I've just posted on that. So if you want more info, just go check out that video. Encrypted client hello, so that's a bit of a security enhancement. When enabled, Chrome will enable the encrypted client hello support. This will encrypt TLS client hello if the server enables the extension via the HTTPS DNS record. Block insecure downloads, that speaks for itself. That's another security feature. Chrome Labs, so basically that's just this little science lab beaker in the top right of the toolbar where you can get to your experiments in Chrome Canary. Extensions menu access control, that's the new extensions menu that I have posted on just a day or so ago in Chrome Canary. Tab audio muting UR control, so that's muting tabs that are playing audio in the browser if you have a tab that is playing video or audio. Customize Chrome color extraction, enables setting theme color based on background image color when background image is changed in new tab page. Customize Chrome. So as we can see, I have that applied in this example. It just takes the color from the new tab page theme and pops that basically as the theme of the browser. Let me just go down to the bottom of that again. There we go. And the next one is quick intensive throttling after loading. For pages that are loaded when backgrounded, activates intensive throttling after 1 minute instead of the default 5 minutes. Desktop partial translate enables the partial translate feature on the desktop, which allows users to translate text selections on the page through the right-click context menu. Another kind of security feature, biometric authentication, re-auth before filling. That means you can enable biometric authentication before filling form data. Password Manager new UI, that gives the user interface for the Password Manager a bit of a makeover. And yes, some with the performance page, which also is enabled in the stable version, but this just gives a couple of extra features in Canary. Enable the high efficiency mode feature in the settings, enable the battery saver mode feature in settings, and then the last one, Power Bookmarks. That just enables the Power Bookmarks version of the bookmarks in the side panel content, which just gives you a new layout for these the bookmarks in the side panel with a couple of extra features. So that's give or take the flags that I have enabled, the experimental flags that I have enabled in Chrome Canary. And as mentioned, flags are not options, they are experiments. So any of these flags can be removed at any time. And just like Microsoft Edge, the stable version, when it comes to Google Chrome, which is actually my main web browser, I personally don't like to keep experimental flags enabled in the stable version of Google Chrome. Although I do make videos on experimental features in the stable version, I personally just don't like to have any experimental features enabled in stable versions. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.